If you want to boost your income with minimal effort, this video covers strategies like renting out space, creating digital products, and investing in dividend stocks. Watch until the end to learn how to generate passive income. Digital product number 1. Renting out space. If you own an extra room, property, or even a parking space, you can turn it into a source of income by renting it out. For example, if you have a spare room in your home, you can list it on platforms like Airbnb, where travelers and guests can book short-term stays. By doing this, you could earn as much as $500 per month, depending on factors like your location and how many bookings you receive. Similarly, if you have a driveway or parking spot that you don't use, you can rent it out to others who need a place to park. Services such as JustPark make this process simple and convenient. This option can provide you with an additional income of around $330 each month, making it an excellent way to maximize the value of unused spaces you already own. Digital product number 2. Creating digital products. One effective way to earn money is by designing and selling digital products, such as ebooks, printables, templates, or online courses. The key benefit of digital products is that once created, they can be sold repeatedly without the need for additional investment in inventory or materials. This allows your initial effort to generate ongoing income. Digital product number 3. Selling on platforms. For example, many people find success selling digital planners, calendars, or worksheets on platforms like Etsy, where these products are in demand due to their ability to help people stay organized. Some individuals have earned as much as $700 in a single day. You can also create online courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable, allowing you to share your knowledge with a global audience. With creativity and dedication, digital products can become a reliable and profitable source of income. Digital product number 4. Automated content creation. A simple way to make money online is by using AI tools to create and share content on platforms like YouTube or TikTok. Tools like Faceless.video, automated video creation, so you don't need to spend a lot of time or effort making each video. These tools help you keep your online presence active by posting content regularly without needing constant work. As you grow your audience, you can earn money from ads shown in your videos or by promoting products through affiliate marketing. To succeed, it's important to plan your content carefully and engage with your audience. Success takes time and effort, but with a good strategy, automated content creation can become a steady way to earn money. Digital product number 5. Affiliate marketing. Another way to make money online is by promoting products or services through your own platforms, like a blog, YouTube channel, or social media. This is called affiliate marketing. You share products you like with your audience and earn a commission when they're purchased through your referral links. For example, you could write blog posts or create YouTube videos about products you've used, including referral links in your content. When someone clicks on the link and buys the product, you earn a percentage of the sale. This method works well because it lets you earn money passively. Once your content is published, it can continue to bring in income over time without needing constant effort. To succeed in affiliate marketing, focus on building trust with your audience and promoting products that match their interests. By regularly recommending useful products, you can create a steady income that grows as your audience increases. Digital product number 6. Investing in dividend stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks is another way to create a consistent flow of income. When you invest in stocks that pay dividends, you receive a portion of the company's profits on a regular basis. These payments typically happen quarterly or annually and can add up over time, providing you with a reliable source of passive income. To maximize your earnings, it's important to build a diversified portfolio, meaning you invest in a range of different companies and industries. This helps reduce the risk of losing money if one investment doesn't perform well. By carefully selecting stocks that have a history of paying good dividends, you can build an income stream that continues to grow as your investments grow. Digital product number 7. Licensing your photography. If you have a passion for photography, you can turn your creative work into an income source by licensing it through stock photography websites. These platforms allow you to upload your photos, and when someone purchases the rights to use them, you earn a royalty fee. Digital product number 8. Licensing your art. If you're an artist, you can also license your artwork on art websites. Every time your artwork is downloaded or used for marketing or other purposes, you get paid. This creates a great passive income opportunity, as once your work is uploaded, it can continue generating money with minimal effort. Whether you're a photographer, painter, or digital artist, licensing your work can turn your talent into a profitable venture that pays you over time. Digital product number 9. Developing an app or software. If you have programming skills, creating an app or software can be a great way to earn ongoing income. By building an app that addresses a specific need or solves a problem, you can attract users who are willing to pay for it. There are different ways to make money from apps, such as one-time purchases, in-app purchases, or subscription fees. For example, if you create an app that helps with productivity, health tracking, or entertainment, you can offer it for download and make money whenever someone buys it or subscribes for extra features. Once the app is developed and available, it can generate a steady income without much ongoing work, especially if it becomes popular and gains a large number of users. Before starting any of these opportunities, it's important to research each one to understand how much time and effort is needed. Some methods may require more work up front, so be prepared to invest your time and resources. Also, consider any legal or tax implications. Income from these activities may be subject to taxes, so it's important to follow local tax laws. You might need to file taxes on the money you earn. It's a good idea to consult with a financial expert or tax professional to ensure you're compliant and managing your earnings properly. So in this video, you have learned several ways to generate passive income with minimal effort, including renting out space, creating digital products, automated content creation, selling on platforms, investing in dividend stocks, affiliate marketing, automated content creation, licensing photography, licensing your art, and developing apps or software. Now, we'd love to hear from you. What passive income method are you most excited to try? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you're curious to know how to make money by animated stories for kids, you better watch the next video because we'll cover that. So, stay tuned for more videos that you don't want to miss. See you in the next one.